Goldman Sachs today joins a slew of other banks downgrading Tesla, the firm cutting shares of the electric car maker to neutral from buy, though also increasing the company's price target to $248 from $185. Joining us now, Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian to discuss more with us. I mean, it's just like a pile-on at this point.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what it said is one's an occurrence, two is a coincidence, three is a trend, right? So we have a trend going on here. Again, pretty much the same kind of call with the other banks there. It's a valuation thing. They're talking about how it better reflects, the stock now better reflects what they think is the long-term view of the company, and downgrading to neutral as not as an overweight kind of position for investors. Talking about things like, they didn't see the round coming, right? They didn't see it coming, but they're surprised by it. But they think it's due to things like reports of better sales in April and May, not official reports, but just reports. Less discounting than they thought. The Model 3 getting the full tax credit, the charging deals, and then of course the AI sort of frenzy. So all that sort of led to the stock, a huge move for Tesla this year, in particular last May. So kind of a big deal there. So they mentioned that, but also they said the company's still well positioned. And like you said, they hiked the price target. They're really sort of behind there in terms of where the stock is right now. But they also actually hiked their estimates for next quarter too. So there's that for that sort of position move up higher.
It does. I agree with Julie. I thought that it does feel like a pile-on. It's like if you can't beat the rest of the analysts, join them.
Right.
And it's funny because the downgrades are coming even as most of them are raising their price targets.
Right.
Yeah.
So they still expect the stock to
perform
be
better.
higher than they
exactly.
Yeah.
Potentially, yeah, and for Goldman, they're still below where the price of the stock is right now, but they brought it up considerably, so they're confident of at least maintaining that level for now. But like you said, it's just following the train, right?
Yes.
The stock starts shooting up. We got to catch up. We got to catch up. So
exactly.
I know you follow this pretty closely.
Yes.
So yeah.
And I want to just talk about one other kind of EV play that we've been watching today, the Lucid Aston Martin deal. What do you make of this?
I'm surprised to see that Aston Martin's doing this, and it's a good thing. But a lot of people have been waiting for Lucid to actually start licensing their technology. That was a big play for them because they make their own batteries, they make their own inverters, they make their own motors, obviously software too. So it's a sort of a big play that they have from an IP point of view. So good to see Lucid doing that with Aston Martin. They're going to take a stake in the company as well, in addition to some cash considerations there. So it is a nice deal to see for Lucid shareholders. I mean, the stock has been down a lot recently, so this is a huge pop today for them.
And Aston Martin got a big bump up as well in UK trading. Does Aston Martin make EVs already? Is it just a question of, how is the Lucid technology and their parts viewed in the industry? And will we see more other automakers maybe wanting to get their hands on it?
So I tested Lucid Air. It's remarkable, really powerful powertrain, but also very smooth, really well done, really dialed in. There was Motor Trend Car of the Year 2 years ago. So it is well received. So it is a best-in-class EV solution, I would say, for automakers. And this Aston Martin is supposed to have a car in 2025. They have no EVs out right now. And they were partnering with Mercedes to do these sort of things. Right. So Mercedes might take a step back, do more of their gas-powered car powertrains. But Lucid, I think, is their partner going forward for EVs and beginning 2025.
Interesting. All right. We're going to have to put a bookmark. I can't find the right pun for this one. Right.
Electric pin, I don't know.
Yes, exactly. All right, Pras Subramanian, thank you so much.